When most people hear the term offshore banking, they immediately think of something illegal or shady. But the reality is, offshore banking is completely legal and it's one of the most smartest strategies the wealthy use to protect assets, reduces taxes, and expand their financial reach globally. But today we are breaking down how offshore banking really works and how it used legally to minimize or even avoid taxes the smart way. Offshore banking simply means opening a bank or establishing a company in a foreign country. It's not just for billionaires, it's for anyone who understands the global financial system. The key is knowing how to use it within the legal framework. The wealthy don't hide money, they structure it. Countries like Switzerland, Singapore, the Simon Island, and the even United Arab Emirates are known for strong privacy laws, favorable tax treatment, and political stability. That's why so many high net worth individuals open accounts or form companies in those jurisdictions. They're not committing fraud, they're optimizing their financial strategy within the bonds of international law. One of the main reasons people use offshore banking is to reduce their tax burden. Let's be clear, this does not mean you don't pay taxes. It means you legally minimize them through residency planning, international business structuring, and tax treaties. For example, if you form an offshore company in a zero tax jurisdiction and run an international business through it, you could legally defer or lower taxes depending on your country's rule. Another benefit is asset protection. Offshore banking helps shield wealth from lawsuits, political instability, or economic collapse. If your money is only in one country, you're exposed to all of that country's risk. Offshore diversification spread your asset globally, giving you more security and control. The ultra wealthy use offshore trusts and foundation to pass down wealth while avoiding state tax. These legal structures protect assets for future generation and are often managed through offshore banks that specialize in wealth preservation. Again, this is not tax evasion, it's long term planning. The truth is, offshore banking is not about hiding money, it's about using the law to your advantage. Multinational corporations do it, billionaires do it, and more investors are learning how to do it in the right way. The difference between illegal tax evasion and legal tax avoidance comes down to structure, transparency, and compliance. If you're serious about growing and protecting wealth, offshore banking is not just an option, it's a powerful tool, but you need to do it right. That means working with international tax professionals, understanding reporting requirements, and choosing repeatable jurisdictions. The world financial system is global. If you're only thinking locally, you're planning a small game. Offshore banking is how the wealthy stay wealthy, not breaking laws, but by understanding them better than anyone else. It's legal, it's smart, and it's time more people knew how it actually works.